Hello friends, this is Super Excited and I'm always excited to help you invest wisely and profitably in smart contract based income earning opportunities. So guys, I'm having an issue with my browser. As you can see, I'm able to open Tronlink, my wallet, on this browser, but the problem is I'm not able to log into my smart contract back office because this browser on which my Tronlink wallet is installed is not able to effectively load the login page of the smart contract. So there are several ways of dealing with this problem of not being able to log into your smart contracts back office using your Tronlink wallet. But in this video, we are going to focus on how you can create several instances of your Tronlink wallet on multiple browsers so that if one browser gives you issues and you can't log in, then you can use another browser to log into your smart contracts back office. But before we proceed, if you want to become a smarter and more profitable investor in decentralized applications and smart contracts, then make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button below so you can be notified whenever the Smart Contracts Based Income Streams YouTube channel releases a new video here. So guys, creating multiple instances of your wallet on different browsers is something simple if you are used to investing in decentralized applications. But for those of you who are new to this, let me start by showing you briefly how investing in a smart contract-based income platform works. Okay, so first there's the blockchain, which is basically a system on which smart contracts are stored. And secondly, there is the smart contract itself, which is a piece of code that executes certain commands autonomously. It can contain a set of rules that, for example, say, if Alice contributes 100 TRX, send 30 TRX to upline Bob and 70 TRX to upline John. Next, there has to be a Dapp-enabled browser. It is what allows you, the user, to interact with a smart contract. Not every ordinary browser can be used to access the smart contract, but it has to be a browser that has an inbuilt blockchain wallet. Without a Dapp-enabled browser, there is no way to access the smart contract. This is why users of Chrome browser, for example, need to install Tronlink wallet first in order to Dapp-enable it so that they can proceed to use it to access their smart contract platforms. However, some browser wallet apps like Tron Wallet Browser, Trust Wallet Browser, Clever Wallet Browser are Dapp-enabled and do not require you to do any additional installations for you to access your smart contract platform. Finally, you need the smart contract platform's website in which to log in and view your back office account to see the status of your contributions and earnings from the smart contract. Normally, you paste a URL link in the browser for it to load the login or sign up page. Now, a common problem that arises is that your browser can fail to load the smart contract platform website, just like what has been happening to me. A common solution to the problem can be for you to troubleshoot the browser by trying to delete cookies, but the other simpler solution is to create many instances of your wallet on several other browsers so that you can log in from any of the other browsers in case any of your browsers fails to load. Okay, so here is what I mean. I've opened up 3 browsers and I am going to create a new wallet on the first browser on the left, then replicate that same wallet on the other 2 browsers on the right. Alright, we have now imported our wallet on another browser. As you can see, the first browser on the left has the same wallet address as the second browser on the right. If this tutorial has been too fast for you and you need a slower paced explanation with a step-by-step guidance on how to create your Tronlink wallet on your PC or smartphone, feel free to text or call me. My contacts are in the description below. As we have just seen, if the previous browser fails to load your smart contract platform's website properly, you can simply copy the platform's URL link and paste it in the new browser you have just imported your Tronlink wallet to. For example, here I am copying the URL link of the Cyberchain smart contract platform from this Telegram group channel and pasting it in the new browser. And voila! The new browser has correctly loaded the Cyberchain login sign-up page for us to access the back office with our wallet. Alright guys, I hope you have now understood why it is important to create multiple instances of your blockchain wallet on different browsers. If you have any questions or you are looking for a profitable smart contract-based income platform to invest in, then you should consider joining Cyberchain Smart Contract. Find my Cyberchain referral link to join in with in the description below. Or if you need further assistance, feel free to call or text me. My contacts are also in the description below. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you out.